You don't notice say for C sharp, numbers not be just numbers. You don't notice them? Because if you come from normal human thinking, you thought say, numbers na numbers. Now lie you. Because for this C sharp, so we get int, long, we get float, and many other things. So sometimes you come to ask yourself, what do all these things mean? And the truth be saying, now there problem start. Because for programming, all numbers are not the same, they no be mates. Anyways, before then, now me and Amos Spikings, the tech prophet, oh yeah, they with me. Some numbers na whole numbers. Some numbers na decimal numbers. Some even need very high precision. If you know say you be absolute beginner for C sharp, now this video dey for you. Some even small well. Some even big reach your village plus local government. So now for this video, I go break down wetin be numeric data types for C sharp. I know say you go like am because I go do am in a way you will never forget. After you watch this video finish, person ask you say why you go use decimal instead of double, you go fit answer. Number one, wetin be numeric data type? Everything in this video is related to C sharp. Take note. Numeric data type na the kind of data where you take store number inside program. And again, C sharp no dey play with memory. You no go just say anyhow, just put any number for anywhere like our scripting languages there. No mention, make correct, no bust. No, C sharp won't know whether the number na whole number or na decimal. Or if it be negative, it go small or it go big. Does it need exact accuracy like money? You see am? Or na scientific calculation where small approximation no really matter? Now from all these things, so now these numeric data types, they come. So generally, numeric data types for C sharp fall into three categories. Number one, whole numbers. Two, decimal or fraction numbers. Three, high precision decimal numbers. You see them? Come closer. Let's start with whole number. Another name for whole numbers, they call them integral types. These ones know they carry decimal point. You know, go see something like 2.5 or 7.89. No. Now straight numbers like 1, 20, minus 7, you see, negative number they there. Even 5,000. Might give you example of if I no talk am. May they put them for screen, editor, put them for screen. You go see bytes, you go see all of them for screen. Now example of whole numbers for C sharp be that. Yes, I know say plenty, but calm down, we go break them down. Still come close and small, you too far from the camera. Sharp. First one, byte. Byte na small whole number we know they allow negative. And it is start from 0 to 255. For example, if you see byte age is equal to 25, just like example on the screen, so even red color, 255, you see am. The question I say, why this one they useful? Because you go know, say, if value no fit pass 255, it no go fit be negative. So you see, say bytes, they save memory. For example, RGB colors, we will store them as byte. Even file data, the same thing. Tiny counters, the same thing. So you feel look byte like small nylon bag, where we say if you won't go put elephant inside, it go just tear. You see am. Number two, S byte. See am for screen. Good. This one are signed byte. You see am. Now why that S dey? Meaning say if it carry negative and positive, don't forget say ordinary bytes no if carry negative. Yeah. The range now from minus 128 to 127. For example, if you can use and create variable now for temperature, see am for screen. You see say they say na minus 20. Yeah. So for example, if byte na person we say like negative energy, S byte go say bring both positive and negative. I go manage them. You see am. Number three, short. Short is bigger than byte. This one are from range minus 32,768 to positive 32,767. For example, see variable where they create with them for here. This one good for medium-sized numbers. But make I tell you too, for C sharp, when people they code, they know they use short like that, except they get specific reason. You grab. Number four, U short. This one means unsigned short. You see am? It means no negative values. This one are from 0 to 65,355 or 35, I think. So for example, you look the variable where they for screen. So then number five, int, integer, of course. Now this one are the chairman of whole numbers in C sharp. If you see normal whole numbers for inside C sharp code, they are usually integers. That's int. This one they range from, I don't know if you call them, from this number to this number. Shall I look at for screen? So see the example, see the variables where you create with them. But the question now, why int popular? Why is it popular? Because it balance well. Number one, memory usage. It get very good memory usage. The range they wide enough. See, that number what you now from that's a long. Now you don't long pass since all the ones who they mention they come. Then it easy for CPU to process am. Now, why if you don't know which whole number type to use, just use int. Everywhere good. So number 6, uint. You already know say it mean unsigned int, right? This one range from 0 to so that's a long. I know if you call them. But you should know share that from 4 billion. Yes. Example, see variable for here. This one no they allow negative. Now that your friend will not like negativity. He don't like negative energy. And it's a good thing. It's a good thing to have. And to be honest, uint no common like int. They don't common like that for every app developer. They don't common like that. Number 7, long. When int don't reach limit, now long they enter the level. You see, the range of long they very big, too big. For example, see this variable or see this one. If you know say the number fit grow past int, Baba, just settle down, use your long. You see why I say this video is for absolute beginners in C#. So if you use them, especially for things like timestamp, for example, maybe even huge counters, even large IDs, yes, they're very big calculations. Then number 8, you already guessed it, ulong. It be like Chinese name, ulong. So ulong just stands for unsigned long. Yeah. So you already know say it only means only positive numbers or values, huge values. For example, see screen. This one now for numbers wey big pass your landlord pride. Anyways, this video don't long reach. We'll continue for part 2.